Paid collaborations, barter collaborations, affiliate collaborations, and even reimbursed collaborations now. You all must be thinking that which collaboration is even worth it and which collaboration you should avoid completely. If you're a creator and you want to work smartly, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Kashish. So if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell also, that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to notify. If you're someone who wants to work with brands or who already is getting brand collaborations, so this video is for you. So because I am going to break down like what types of collaboration should you work, which is better and which is not at all better. So today I'm breaking down all the types of collaboration. So what is good, what is not good, and what do I personally recommend. So let's get started. So let's start with the main types of collaboration. So the first collaboration is the barter collaboration. So a barter collaboration is basically when a brand gives you products in an exchange of a content. So like you'll have to deliver one reel, one story, or one YouTube short, anything. So I will recommend that this is good for beginners who have just started their content creation and who has to build their portfolio currently. Honestly, don't keep on overdoing it because free product cannot pay your bills. This is the truth. So the second collaboration is the paid collaboration. This is the best collab ever. Like, paid collaborations are always the best. Brands pay you for your content, reels, story, YouTube shorts, YouTube long videos, everything. Even if your audience is very small, then too you deserve to get paid for your efforts, because when you create content, it's my personal experience that whenever you create content, you're putting a lot of time, a lot of efforts in shooting, editing, everything. So a paid collaboration is always a better option. So the third collaboration type is the affiliate collaboration. This collaboration basically means that you earn commission when someone buys the product from your particular links or your particular codes. Then this collaboration works. So this is a good passive income, but the income is not guaranteed in the affiliate collaboration basically. So I will not recommend this. Like, you can do it, but this is my personal review that you should avoid this collaboration also. Then the fourth collaboration is gifting plus paid hybrid collab. Sometimes in these type of collaborations, brands do send you products, but they pay you a small amount also. This is actually a good middle ground, especially when you are at your growing stage of content creation. So I will recommend this. And the fifth collaboration is reimbursement collaboration. So this collaboration is basically that you have to buy the product with your own money, and once your content is created and is live, like you have posted the content live, after a period of time, the brand reimburses the amount which you have paid for the particular product. This sounds good, but be careful, because sometimes, in many cases, payments are delayed or they sometimes do not even pay for the particular products also. So be aware. If the brand is genuine or if it's not genuine, if the brand is a small business or everything, so you'll have to check. So I will not recommend you for the reimbursement collaborations also. Honestly, I will only suggest this that if you trust the brand or you have something in written, like the brand gives you in writing that it will the reimbursement will be done of your amount, then you can trust the reimbursement collaboration basically. That's my personal experience and this is my personal review. So sometimes I get a lot of questions like which is the best collaboration. My suggestion is that if you're a beginner, you should start with barter collaborations, but you should not do it for a longer period of time. I will not suggest that. Once you start building your audience, you start asking for paid deals, because once your audience is built a little bit also, you can ask for paid deal. Affiliate is good for side income, but you cannot do it as your main income. I will not suggest that. Reimbursement only with trusted brands, it's not always safe. So if you ask me, my personal suggestion, your goal should always be only paid collaborations. Let's talk about which I will not recommend. So the first one is like if you do too many barter collaborations, like if you're only doing barter collaborations, you're not negotiating with the brand for paid collaborations, the brands will not take you seriously at all. Never. So don't do this mistake. Only working for exposure, because exposure will not pay you completely. Exposure will not pay you only. Very low payments even after knowing your worth. This is completely wrong. You should know your worth and you should negotiate it with the brands. Brands are such that they always negotiate for the lesser amount only, but you should be firm with your decision. The fourth one is risky reimbursement deals without proof. I will not suggest this. And the fifth one is promoting products which you don't like. It surely kills your trust. So don't do that also. At the end of the day, your content is going to be valued. So don't be afraid to negotiate with the brand and to negotiate with the payments with them. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to notify. And do tell me in the comment section which brand collaborations are you doing currently, or if you're looking for barter collaborations or anything, let me know in the comment section below. And the main thing, please guys, follow me on Instagram also. This is my Instagram ID. This is my Instagram ID currently. So I am super active on my social networking sites also. Like, I'm super active on my Instagram also. So that's it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.